In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Asana to Excel. If you've ever needed to share project data with someone who doesn't use Asana, build a custom report, or just back up your work, exporting your project to a spreadsheet is a really simple way to do that. I'll walk you through the exact steps using the most current 2025 Asana interface, and I'll also give you some tips so that your export is as clean and useful as possible once you open it in Excel. First, open the Asana project that you want to export. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization, and double-check that you have the right project selected, because only the tasks from this specific project will be included in the file. Give the project a quick scan to confirm that the tasks, sections, due dates, and custom fields you care about are visible and up to date. Anything you see in the project at this point is what will end up in your exported file. At the top of your project, look for the project name in the upper left area of the screen. Right next to that project name, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Go ahead and click that arrow. This opens a menu with a variety of options related to your project settings and actions. In that drop-down menu, find the option labeled Export Sync. It may appear alongside other options like Project Settings or Print, so take a moment to look carefully. Once you see Export Sync, click it. This tells Asana that you want to take your project data out of the app in a format that can be used elsewhere. After clicking Export Sync, Asana will show you several export choices. Look for the option that says CSV XXLSX. This is the one you want because it lets you download a file that can be opened directly in Excel or easily converted if needed. Click CSV XLSX, and Asana will start preparing the export in the background. Depending on the size of your project and your internet connection, this may take a few moments. Once it's ready, your browser will download a file, usually to your default downloads folder. The file will typically have the same name as your project, so it's easy to identify. From there, just open that file in Excel. You'll see your tasks laid out in rows, with columns for things like task name, assignee, due date, status, and any custom fields you've set up. You can now sort, filter, create charts, or build reports exactly the way you want, all based on your Asana